The DEWALT 20V Max wet-dry vacuum is designed for ultimate portability with its cordless operation, powered by a reliable 20V Max battery. Featuring a washable and reusable filter, this vacuum allows for easy maintenance with just a simple tap or water rinse. Its heavy-duty, crush-resistant hose ensures durability and flexibility, making it perfect for various cleaning tasks. The vacuum's onboard hose and accessory storage add to its convenience, making it easy to carry and transport. With a 2-gallon tank capacity, this vacuum provides ample storage to handle significant messes, such as emptying a toilet or a clogged pipe. Equipped with a HEPA-rated filter, it effectively traps dust particles as small as 0.3 microns, ensuring a thorough clean.